Indian Coconut Rice Pilaf. A side dish from India. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Soak 2 cups long grain rice in water, meanwhile boil 2 cups coconut milk. Step 2. Add 1.5 cups water. Step 3. Put in 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Step 4. Drain and add the rice, bring to a boil again, cover, turn off heat. Step 5. In separate pan, fry 4 tablespoons oil plus the mustard seeds until they pop. Step 6. Add 8 chopped dried red chilies, brown. Add the sesame seeds and brown lightly. Step 7. Pour the flavored oil and the salt over rice, toss in a flaked fresh coconut or dried unsweetened that's been soaked. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.